This laptop's cheaper than a pair of AirPods. But can it actually work? No cap. Ever tried writing a paper, editing a resume, or doing literally anything productive on a glitchy old laptop that sounds like it's trying to take off? Yeah, we've all been there. Lag spikes. Frozen tabs. Spinning wheels of doom. You sit down to work and end up rage-googling, why is my laptop so slow? Whether you're broke, busy, or both, your gear should help you hustle, not hold you hostage. The Acer Aspire one gets it. It's here for the students, the side hustlers, the spreadsheet warriors who just want a reliable machine that won't self-destruct the second you open 3 tabs. Let's crank it up. Your deadline's at midnight, your screen's glitching like an 80s arcade game, and you just lost the doc you forgot to save. Classic. Meanwhile, your overpriced ultrabook can't hold a charge longer than a sneeze, and that fancy brand name? All looks, no performance. Stress? Through the roof. Productivity? Buried. You don't have time, or money, to gamble on another overpriced, underpowered paperweight. And no, using your phone isn't a solution, it's a cramp-inducing disaster. It's time we stop overpaying for basic functionality and start demanding more, without emptying the wallet. Enter the Acer Aspire 1. This little silver underdog doesn't just meet expectations, it stacks M, claps M, and sends M packing. The Acer Aspire 1A115-32C96U is the slim, featherlight laptop that runs like a champ. With a 15.6-inch Full HD display, Intel Celeron N4500 processor, and Wi-Fi 5 speeds, it's got enough muscle to power through work, school, Netflix, and everything in between. You get 4GB DDR4 RAM, 128GB storage, and 1 year of Microsoft 365, yes, included. Windows 11 in S mode keeps things secure, snappy, and headache-free. And no, you don't need a tech degree to use it. Just open it up and go. You'll feel it the second you pick it up, just 3.6 pounds of let's get this done energy. Long battery life? Yup. Gorgeous visuals? That full HD screen hits different. Need Zoom, Word, YouTube, spreadsheets, social, and 10 tabs open? Boom, it handles it. And when you're done, close it up and toss it in your bag. The thin, minimal design makes you look good, whether you're in class, at work, or posted up in a cafe pretending to write your novel. Ready to ditch lag, ditch clutter, and actually enjoy using your laptop again? Scroll down and see how this thing stacks up. Thousands are already in on the secret. The Aspire 1 punches way above its price tag. It's trusted by students, remote workers, and digital nomads who want performance without the premium markup. Don't wait until your current laptop dies mid-zoom or crashes during a final paper. This isn't one of those too good to be true deals, it's just a smart one. Stock moves fast because, well, people aren't dumb. You're looking at one of the best value laptops on the market today. So act quick. Tap that link. Level up your tech game. Secure the power, portability, and peace of mind you deserve.